Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Hello Campaign Evolved game error, and the error is your game has crashed UE-Meteorite. So if you're getting this error, your game has crashed UE-Meteorite, fatal error or low level fatal error or GPU crash dump triggered error on PC, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. Click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam. Then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead to launch the game and check. Fix 2. Check for game update and finish downloading every game files. So look for the game pending updates, and if there are any updates available, then update it. And also finish downloading every game files related to Hello Campaign Evolved game. And then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to download and install the 610.82 hotfix driver. So go to this website, the link is provided in my video description. This is a official Nvidia website, and once you're on this Nvidia website, here you will read this hotfix addresses the following Hello Campaign Evolved stability issue on GeForce RTX 50 series. So click here to download, and then you have to run it. Now before installing it, first close any games open and the Nvidia app. So close any games that you are playing and also close the Nvidia app. Then run the downloaded exe file. After closing all the games and Nvidia app, then you have to launch this exe file when it gets downloaded. Then select custom advanced. Then tick mark the box that says perform a clean installation, and then click on next and let it install. And after it gets installed, then you have to restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Hello Campaign Evolved game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the Hello Campaign Evolved game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to run the game from Steam and select play Hello Campaign Evolved option. So when you click on play button, select this option, that is a play Hello Campaign Evolved game, and then click on play and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder. The game installation folder path is C try program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Hello Campaign Evolved. Open the Meteorite folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now first double click this Hello Campaign Evolved exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and then check mark run this program as an administrator. Then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time check mark run this program in compatibility mode from the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. After unticking all these 3 boxes, hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to update your graphic card driver. Nvidia users can update their graphic card driver via the Nvidia app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So if you are an Nvidia user, then in Windows search type Nvidia app and open the Nvidia app. Then go to the driver sections and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download option. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead to launch the game and check. And if you are a AMD user, then in Windows search type AMD Adrenal software and open it. And then look for the graphic card driver update. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is given in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So again either repair it or install it, and then restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open the graphic settings. Then click on add desktop app, and then go to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Hello Campaign Evolved, Meteorite folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and then select Hello Campaign Evolved game exe file, and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list, then expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance, and also make sure optimization for windowed game is turned on. And after selecting the high performance, then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check. Fix 10 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update, and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install all of them, and then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to install DirectX and user runtime web installer. This is a Microsoft official website. I have provided this link in my video description. So go to this website, and once you're on this Microsoft website, here you will see DirectX and user runtime web installer. So click on download, and then run this dxwebsetup.exe file and install it. And after installing it, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Hello Campaign Evolved game from your PC. So simply uninstall the Hello Campaign Evolved game from your PC, then restart your PC, and then fresh reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix Hello Campaign Evolved, your game has crashed UE-Meteorite, fatal error, low level fatal error, or GPU crash dump triggered error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.